This is how you system restore in Windows 11. You press and hold shift button, that is the left shift button toward the side left. Then you come to, you right click on this Windows logo, then click on restart. While still holding on the left shift button, don't release your finger. So you wait until a screen will pop up. So as it is restarting. All right, you see it has shown this place wait. So I can release my finger now. Yeah. All right, so this is the screen. So you want to do system restore, yeah? So from here, you go to troubleshooting, then advanced options, then look at here, this system restore. Then you click on system restore. All right. So now look at this, looking at this, how to do system restore. But sadly on this PC, there's no way I can do system restore. Why? Because it has not been activated. So there's a way to activate system protection so that the system will automatically create system restore. So how will you do that? I've made a video about it. So I will include the link of the video so that you'll be able to activate restore points on your PC.